that people's feelings don't trump people's constitutional rights. So that's the bottom line. Excuse me?
Can I help you?
No, I don't need help.
Well, you're recording stuff here.
So what's that mean? That doesn't mean I need help.
Well, you can need a permission, some type of permission to record people.
Well, why do you think that? Well, I'm getting information. Why do you think I need permission?
Well, you're recording. If you just need information, that's one thing. Recording is a different thing.
Oh, what is the rule on that, or law, or whatever?
Well, the rule of law is you're not allowed to record.
You know what law that is? Or?
I can find out for you.
You should try before you tell me, right? If you don't know.
But if you want to come right here, I will go ahead.
No, I'm good. I got more stuff to get right here. I'm getting this information. That's weird.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What was your name?
I don't want to give it. Ben
Okay.
is my name, but I didn't feel like
Okay.
giving it. Yeah,
Yeah,
especially
just-
after that.
Yeah, just because this is a place just for our students, so confidentiality is we value that very importantly.
That area,
So,
because
correct.
this is open for anybody to come
This-
and ask information and get this
Yeah.
stuff right. Yeah.
But as far as like if you're recording students, we ask the public not to. And so he'll probably get that. I personally don't know what the law is. It's just that we want to make sure
I
that
do.
yeah.
I know exactly what it is.
Okay.
I can record anybody who's in here. I'm just choosing not to. Right? I haven't
Yeah.
gone over there and looked over. I've been
Got
focusing on getting the cards and other information
Okay.
I want here, the QR codes.
Okay.
But
And
I can
you're
record
more than
anything in
welcome
here.
to do
Yeah.
that. Like this is just our information for our program. And then this is my
So now
this
here's
is my
getting-
card. But yeah, is there a reason
Bye-bye.
for you're just recording?
Yeah, I'm working on something.
Okay.
Hmm. Yep.
All right. Is
So,
it
yeah.
is it for work or is it for more personal?
I'm working on something.
Okay.
Yeah, it's work.
Okay.
Yep. I'm being paid. Well, I will eventually be paid, but
Yeah.
yeah, so it's work.
Okay.
So
Can I touch you for a
Yeah,
second?
yeah. I just asked that because that door is so no one can go beyond that except for those who are.
for sure, and I
public.
wasn't going to. Like I said, that's
Okay.
why I haven't even looked over in that area. I've been getting
Yeah.
information here.
Okay.
I'm not interested in anybody over there. so.
Okay.
I am interested in this conversation, though.
Even if it's a private, because I think I have a right to a private conversation with my colleagues.
Oh, I mean, yeah, you definitely have a right to a private
Okay.
conversation for sure.
Okay. Can I ask you to not record?
Well, I want to hear what he's going to say.
Well, I mean that's what.
I'm sure he just
comfort-
learned that he was completely wrong, and hopefully he'll say that.
Okay. So maybe you just kind of walk. So somebody's gonna stop by.
Okay.
They should have trained you. I don't know why they didn't. It's a public area, right? We can record anything in a public area we wish to. People, conversations. If you want private conversations, you have to take them create the privacy, right? And that's the way the law works. So this is the Constitution. It's the First Amendment. The same reason you have a right to speak to me is the same reason I have a right to record that conversation or anything else. So.
But I think also, and I'll just be transparent with you, is like if someone feels comfortable being recorded, they can ask. That would be my right.
Anybody can ask me anything they want,
Okay.
and I can just say no.
And I think that's
right?
why they contacted me, because I'm the interim director, so I'm in charge of the Guardian Scholars Program, so I want to make sure that I'm up to date with what's going on in the center.
Yeah, anybody can ask anything. Like your
Yeah.
shirt, I can be like, hey, I'm offended. I don't feel comfortable with that shirt. Say I
Yeah.
had a shirt that said Sac State or something, and somebody was like, hey, I don't like your shirt. They can ask me, but I can just say no. That's our right? So we don't. The law doesn't deal with feelings, right? There's actually a case law I can give you. It's called Fordyce versus Seattle, 1995 case. It's through the Ninth Circuit, which covers California. And it says specifically that people's feelings don't trump people's constitutional rights. So that's the bottom line. I was being nice there. I was just getting information. I could have easily reached around the corner and recorded everybody in that office.
Yeah.
But I don't like when I have security that comes up and kind of doesn't know what they're talking about. I'd rather that they be educated on it so that they know, right? Because what I could have done is easily, when you said get out of there, I could have said, okay, and walked out, and you just got the state sued in a lawsuit that we're going to lose public tax dollars from this college because of what you said. So you should really know it before you do it, right? No, that's my point.
Yeah. And there's laws that, because there's billions of laws, right? And it's always changing. So I don't know every single law, right? So, I mean, if it's something that, and yeah.
But our security should know that
Yeah,
aspect.
I agree. And it could be maybe like a training issue, but, it's, and I think that's why we'll wait for.
They'll tell you. I've already dealt with the police here over at the Welcome Center.
Okay.
And it was the same thing. One guy told me, you know, you got to get out of here. And here comes the cops. You can talk to them. And I told him I'm not even going to talk to that cop. He's going to talk to you guys and leave. And that's exactly what happened. So, anyways, I'll be around. I was just getting information from your office. I don't really need anything in there anymore. But I'm just going to be around over here. So I'll see you guys around.